Alright, let's begin. No one wants to wait hours going to a bank, filling out forms, waiting in the line just to open a savings account. And with everything going digital, banking should be no exception. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can open an HDFC Bank account online from the comfort of your home. No paperwork, no branch visits, just your phone, a computer, and internet connection. But that's not all. I'm also going to reveal some underrated features and hidden perks of HDFC banks that most people completely overlook, like instant debit cards, exclusive cashback programs, and pre approved credit offers. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or working professional, this video could help you save money, earn rewards, and get smarter with your finance. Stick around till the end because you might just unlock a few money hacks you didn't expect from a regular bank card. So first things first, how to open an HDFC account? It's very easy. Just visit the official website or download the HDFC mobile banking app. Open and choose open a new savings account. You'll be asked for basic KYC like Aadhaar card, PAN card, and mobile number. Through video KYC and HDFC representatives will verify you face to face via a small video call. No need to visit a branch. Once verified, your account is activated often within 24 hours. Sometimes it takes a little bit more than that, to be honest. So point number two is digital debit card, instant debit card. Once your account is activated, you don't have to wait for a physical debit card. HDFC gives you a digital debit card instantly through the app. You can use it for online shopping, UPI, and even link it to your digital payment wallets like Paytm, PhonePe, or Google Pay right away, which is actually great. At number three, offers and cashback on debit card usage. Here's where it gets interesting. HDFC often runs cashback offers on debit card spends from 5% to 10% back on platforms like Amazon, Swiggy, and they even have the SmartBuy deals that gives you extra discounts when you're shopping via HDFC's SmartBuy. I'll leave the link of this website in the description. As you can see, it's already showing me some discounts like this one plus 2 are regular prices 229 22.99 and maybe it's 19.99 or 15.99. I don't know. At first, you'll have to come to this website and log in through your bank's account. So they also have the iPhones. System Promas has some also this. Literally every phone has some discount, which is actually good to be honest. Even they have iPhone 13. I don't know if it's not gonna give us used phone or new. Even they have some travel offers. Kerala, Andaman, Thailand, UAE, Goa, Rajasthan, Kashmir. And number four is account customization and features. We can choose between different savings account like regular savings account, woman's advantage savings account, or the save youth. Each comes with slightly different features catered for your different pace. For example, the Women's Advantage account gives you extra cashback on grocery and BPNS. You also get free email statements, SMS alerts, and smart dashboard to manage all your spends. And by the way, here's a key tip for you. Before applying to any of these cards, simply read all of the features. So before applying to applying for any of the account, simply read all of these precisely to know which account suits you the most, because there might be some account that's not for you, but there are some accounts which suits you the most. So I suggest you to read every one of them. Even some of them has the compare feature, so you can, if you have selected two or three, you can just add to compare to get the final result, which account should be open. So last but not least, there are some bonus tips. Credit cards, pre-approval, and loan offers. Once you're on board, HDFC system starts building your profile. So you're more likely to get pre-approved for credit card or personal loan offers in the future. And if you're already salaried, HDFC often gives you zero paperwork loans instantly through net banking. So, to sum it up, opening an HDFC account online is insanely easy and honestly, way more rewarding than most people think. For from instant access to digital debit card to cashback offers and exclusive loan perks, HDFC is not just giving you a place to store money. They're giving you tools to make the most of it. If you have been thinking about switching banks or opening a new savings account without the usual stress, this could be the perfect time. I'd recommend starting with the digital savings or women's advantage account depending on your lifestyle. And if this video helped you out, do me a small favor, hit that like button so YouTube knows it's worth sharing. And hey, if you're curious about HDFC credit cards, investment options, or want me to compare banks in a future video, drop a comment. I read every single one. Thanks for watching. And as always, work smart, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.